Hey everyone, so in this video we will guide you how you can enable TCS option for your buyer or supplier. So same like TDS, there is a functionality of TCS on TranZact. With that you can capture the tax collected at source. From where you can activate it. So first of all, let us go to buyer and supplier module. So from where you can go, click on all modules, then click on buyer and supplier module. Now once I will come in buyer and supplier module, these are my list of buyers and supplier. So what I need to do, suppose this is one of the bill named one of my buyer and supplier both. So I will open this particular profile. After that, on your right hand side, you will see an option of edit company details. Please click on that. Now here, you will find an option of TCS. Select it, none, purchase, sales, both. So in my scenario, what I will do, I will simply just click on both and save it. Now, once I saved, let me show you where exactly this option will display. So on the next tab, I have already created one PO creation document. So please check. Earlier, the TCS was not available. Now what I will do, I will simply just refresh the page. Once I refresh the page, please check TCS percentage is coming here. I can select the TCS as per my requirement and then after can create the document. I hope this video will be helpful to you in order to manage the TCS. Have a good day ahead.